So, you've got an Oculus gift code burning a hole in your virtual pocket and you're ready to dive into some awesome VR experiences. Let's get that redeemed. First, grab your phone and open the Oculus app. Look for the menu button. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. And tap it to open the main menu. Now scroll down until you see payment methods and tap on it. This is where you'll manage your payment options and, most importantly, redeem your gift code. You should now see an option labeled Redeem Gift Code. Give that a tap. A text box will appear where you can type in your gift code. Carefully enter the code exactly as it appears, making sure to avoid any typos. Once you've entered your code, tap the Redeem button. Voila! You should now see a confirmation message displaying the amount added to your account. You are now ready to start shopping. You can now browse the Oculus Store and use your newly acquired credit to purchase games, apps, and experiences for your Oculus VR headset. Enjoy your new VR adventures and happy gaming!